Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today is to make a patriotic wreath, and I hope that you will join me. Today I'm going to be using this well-loved wreath form, and in addition to that I have my florals. There's this floral pick, it's white with like really sheer petals. And then this came from Walmart, if you need to find it. And then I also found this one. This one came from Hobby Lobby. And there's the number if you need it. Let's see, it doesn't have a name. I'm thinking they're probably roses. Like a cabbage rose. It's really pretty. And then I have this feather pick that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And there's the number if you need to find it. I think it'll look cute. And I have this little red truck. I found these at the Dollar Tree. It comes in the red and it comes in the blue. It'll look like this. I think they're cute. I'm not sure which one I want to use yet. We'll see. I may use the red one and I may use the blue. What I've done already is I took the little sign off and I left the chain on here and I just linked the chains together. This way I want to use. That'll be my hanger on the wreath itself. I also have my ribbon, and this ribbon came from Michael's. It's a canvas ribbon, and it is about the 2.5 inch wide. I have trimmed down all my picks. I left the greenery on. I want to see what it looks like with the greens kept on the picks. And then I separated my my feathers. Let's see, you get you get 5 feathers. If you want more feathers on there, you don't have to get another pick. And I just trim all my florals down to what, 4-inch stem. You can trim it down further if you like. And then you need your hot glue gun to help secure your wreath. You'll also need a hanger if you don't already have a hanger attached to your wreath. I'm going to go ahead and start arranging my wreath, and I hope you stick around and see how my wreath will turn out, and hope that I will give you some inspiration on how to design your wreath also. I made some changes already. I have removed the leaves because it was starting to look bridal, and I don't want it to look bridal. And then I took the little roses off, and I probably should remove some more. And then I went in my supply box and I found some more white flowers. I found these little white flowers. They have, well, avoid that one. I found these white one. They have like little glitter centers. I'm not sure where this came from. It may have came from Hobby Lobby. It could have been Michael's. So that one. I also found these. And this one looks like it came from Dollar Tree. The telltale leaves. So there's that one. And then also from the Dollar Tree I found these. They're that baby breath. So I'm going to add some of these and see how that will look. Okay, I think it actually looks good already. I think I just needed that, you know, the different textures and floral. Yeah, I should have known that from the beginning, but, you know, we can be stubborn sometimes. I hope that I am helping you along the way also. You know, giving you tips on what not to use and what to use. And well, you know, sometimes you do, you know, plan and, oops, sorry. Sometimes you do plan and then you start putting your floral together and you realize it's not gonna, your flowers are just not cooperating with your vision. And you gotta start all over again. Tuck that in there too. Here is the new look. I think it looks much better now. You know, I have all white flowers, but there's the texture in there. It makes it look so much better. I'm going to go ahead and add my feathers. And we'll go from there. My plan has changed, so I now need to figure out a few things. Let's here. And one more. Tuck that in there. Like that. And then one left. I'm going to tuck that one on this side. Here is the ribbon I want to use. My initial plan was to create a bow. That's not going to work now. So what I want to do is give the impression of my ribbons running through my wreath. And to do that, I'm going to need to trim my ribbon down. So I have these wooden picks here. They come with a wire attached. I'm going to take the end of my ribbon, I'm going to bunch it like this. I'm going to tuck the little wood pick in there, and then just wrap my ribbon to the wooden pick there, like that. And then I'm going to take the end of my wooden pick and tuck it in here. And then go ahead and trim that down to the size you need. And then trim that, and then we'll pick the other side. And then just tuck that in there, and then just adjust your ribbon like that. Now if you find that your ribbon is a little too long, you can always unwrap the wire and rewrap your ribbon to the pick. Right quick, when you're like this, that way it creates that puff. See, now if you were to run it like this, then you have the running look. But if you're looking for the puffy look, make sure your picks face each other. I'm going to move this a bit here, and then go from here and then back underneath there. Now, if you know what you're planning to do from the beginning, you can always wrap your wreath first. If not, if you have the problem that I have today with everything looking all all bridal. I had to trim my ribbon down. Trimmed it a little too long. Some more. If you can always, like I say, you can always trim your ribbon down and give it the impression of, you know, you meant to make it look like that. There we go. And then again, to make sure your pick is facing back the opposite direction you're going, so it gives it that puff effect. So here we go. This is I've managed to use my ribbon, and it's looking really good now. I need a little something there. Maybe tuck another flower back in there. There we go. I don't want it to be completely covered in flowers. I want to be able to see some of the wreath underneath. Now, if you prefer to cover your entire wreath with floral, that's fine. We all have our preference. That looks really good. I like it. It's turning out really well. Then I'm trying to toss the flower away, but I keep needing it. Okay, I took it under here. I think it wants to be used. Like that. I think it's turned out really well. I have attached my red truck. It's a good thing I had the little blue truck also. I had to take the chain off that one. I had to make my chain long enough to be able to have my little truck hanging halfway down in the wreath. I think that my wreath looks really cute. I'm going to go hang this up now, and so you can see what it looks like. Here is my patriotic wreath. I think it turned out really well. I'm very happy with it. I am glad I went with the red truck. It looks really good. I like it. I hope that I have inspired you today to create your patriotic wreath. Again, you can always change out the ornament in the center if you like. Thank you for watching Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.